D410 woodcutter meets the needs of even the most demanding professionals. With its innovative handle design, the D410 will allow you to cut wood into smaller pieces, convenient for use in fuel making, construction, or other wood-related applications. With the ESA 850 automatic chainsaw, you can quickly cut logs up to 85 cm in diameter into easy-to-manage logs. The ability to split firewood quickly and accurately of the Bell's 4000 firewood processor is surprising. It's great to see this machine working so hard, delivering crisp, uniform blocks of firewood. In Finland, Klappila is known for its highest quality firewood properties, which are exported even to Japan. They are being processed by a C750 firewood processor capable of running for 8 hours, producing 112M3 in an 8-hour shift. This firewood processor is an ideal equipment for short and mountain mixed wood. It also works on branch wood, waste wood, and sawmill and joinery. It's great because it can handle trees up to 48 centimeters in diameter and up to 1 kilometers in length. It is a homemade firewood processor, but it gives users full functionality to turn a tree into smaller firewood. What an admiration for the human mind. Thanks to this chain-driven firewood handling cup, it is possible to process tons of firewood per hour quickly and efficiently. You are looking at the Australian-made REX600 firewood processor at work. This machine has a hopper to fill the projectile and has a large wedge with a 6-second cycle time. Multitech 1616 IZI firewood processor is designed to process rough logs up to 50 centimeters in diameter at a rate of 1.5 to 2.0 full cords of firewood per hour. This ruggedly built machine comes standard with a 25 horsepower Yanmar diesel engine that helps perform separations quickly and efficiently. A great tree branch shredder. In Australia, thanks to the ability to quickly cut tree branches into small pieces, it is convenient for making firewood for heating in cold weather. King PTO is a wood saw used on PTO engines. It is designed to cut and divide wood into small and convenient pieces for fuel or construction use. The Halverson HWP 120 firewood handling attachment works on many machines, including mini excavators. It's great that the Halverson HWP 120 can pick up wood, cut it, and safely separate it all from your cabin. Great combination of saw blade and Oregon splitter. This machine quickly turns large and long logs into small and uniform firewood. I am very impressed with the performance of this cutter head. It can clean branches and cut these trees with ease. The Pro HD XL firewood processor is equipped with a 12-way wedge, which helps process wood quickly. Hard wood like oak does not make it difficult for Alpha 6-box wedge. It easily splits the log into many small bars. The Split Force 1320T is powered by a 13 horsepower Honda engine, has a 20-foot hydraulic conveyor, and a wooden lift. Its single wedge produces a separation force of approximately 26.5 tons, with a cycle time of approximately 4 seconds. This makes it an impressive firewood processor. With the right arrangement and enough people, it can really handle a lot of firewood with this amazing firewood production line. With a 22 horsepower Honda engine, this is still a highly efficient machine even when humans have to directly control the splitter. The TW5 HDTWC12 firewood processor is powered by a 4.9 horsepower Honda engine that saves fuel while still processing wood extremely effectively. With a 24-way wedge, this homemade machine allows it to process different types of firewood easily and efficiently. The 01115 T-log splitter impresses above all with its splitting capacity and high-quality workmanship. Handy's separating wedge allows for quick separation. The Grohe GSW40RF3P wood splitter is a powerful device that can handle large trees. The best thing about this firewood processor is its ability to convert wood into quality firewood products without requiring too much labour. The HF800 2-speed conical screw separator on a large wheel loader splits some quite hard and rough woods. The conical screw almost never has to come into contact with the ground when separating. After the pointed end of the cone enters the wood, rotate and split the wood into small pieces quickly. A firewood processor is not just a device, but also a comprehensive solution for processing and creating products from firewood materials. With the smooth coordination between human and machine power, large logs are quickly divided into small firewood bars, convenient for use as fuel. Are you impressed with the machines we offer? If you like the video, please like, share and follow to support us. See you in the next video.